How can you avoid these calorie traps? Check out the restaurant's online nutrition info before you go. Here's an important health tip for the next time you eat out. Even healthy-sounding options can harbor hidden calories, fat, and sodium, much more than you expect. For example, one chain's chicken burger drops 946 calories in a stunning, this isn't stunning on you, it's stunning for the number, 57 grams of bad fat onto your plate. And the healthy-sounding citrus chicken salad on another chain, that's got 2,548 calories, more than a day's worth for most of us, and 32 grams of unhealthy fat. Whoa! How can you avoid these calorie traps? Check out the restaurant's online nutrition info before you go, and keep an eye on portion size. At many popular restaurants, 3 or 4 normal servings are often heaped onto one belt-busting plate. Eat a third and take the rest home. You'll save dough, and you'll have 3 meals for the price of one night out, too.